Consider an infinitely long current carrying cylinder, straight wire having radius a. Then the ratio of the magnetic field due to wire at distance a by 3 and 2a respectively from axis of the wire is what we need to find out in this question. VA is equal to mu naught IR upon 2 pi a square, which comes out to be mu naught I upon 6 pi a. On calculating BB, we have mu naught I into 2a upon 2 pi into 2a the whole square, which comes out to be mu naught I upon 4 pi. The ratio of BA and BB is equals to 4 by 6, which comes out to be 2 by 3, which is also our question answer.